Mounting your fish finder has never been easier with our universal fish finder mount. Designed with a multi-pattern top plate to fit most popular electronic brands. The perfect mount for your 7 inches 9 inches screens. The post mount allows you to install your screen in any of our Scotty post mount brackets. A full 360 degrees of rotation allows you to position your screen in the perfect spot every time. Engineering-grade nylon and stainless steel fasteners, a lifetime of use even in the toughest conditions. Some assembly required. Accessories sold separate. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. Other than being a bit expensive for a molded piece of plastic, it works exactly as intended. I used it to mount my 7 inches Humminbird fish finder on my kayak.